Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. You'll be seeing this on Monday, but today is Valentine's Day. We don't do nothing real big on Valentine's Day. We sometimes might go out, but most time we stay home. Today Doug fixed some steaks, and I'm going to make a dessert. It's Hudson Creme Brownies. We're mostly homebodies. We like to stay home, so I thought we'd make some of these brownies. Doug's mom used to make these brownies a lot. We'll get started here. You're going to need 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 eggs. You want these beaten. Then you're going to need 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of flour, and this calls for Hudson Creme Flour. You may not get it where you are at. We get ours from a grocery store out town, but they've shut down. So Walmart has it, but I'm not sure it has it everywhere. You can just use all-purpose flour though. And right here I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, it doesn't say to start with this, but you got to do it later, so I'm just going to do it now. I'm going to add the dry ingredients together, which is the flour, the baking powder and salt. Get all that out of there. And the cocoa powder. Just going to get that mixed up. And you could probably do this by hand. I'm just going to throw it in the mixer. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. To my mixer, I'm going to add the oil and the sugar. And I'm going to mix this. Okay. I'm going to mix this up, cream it together. Can't go through a recipe without me dropping something. Okay, let's cream this together. And I forgot, you add the vanilla here too. Do about maybe a little over 2 teaspoons. I just measure with my heart. Vanilla. We'll get this finished cream together. Okay, got that cream together. Now I'm going to add my beaten eggs. And I'm going to cream that together with that. Now I'm going to slowly start adding the dry mixture. And I'm going to put on my shield. Find it. And put that on. Still slosh some out. I'm just going to keep slowly adding the dry mixture and just mix until it's combined. This last little bit in there. And I'll have to scrape down the sides where it's come up on there. Oh, maybe I should have left it a minute. I am a messy cook, so. Alright, it's combined. I'm going to scrape this down. I've got my oven set at 350. And since it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to sneak in some chocolate chips and surprise them. Just mix that in. And you can also add nuts to this if you want. A few more. Okay, let's get our pan. Okay, I've got a 9 by 13 inch pan. Get this off the thing. We'll pour this in. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Here it is out of the oven. I'm going to let this cool a little bit and decide whether or not I'm going to take it out of the pan, and then we'll get it iced. Okay, now I'm going to ice it. I went ahead and took it out of the pan. It broke just a little bit, but once the icing's on here, it's not going to matter. I'm just making some little dollops. That way it hopefully won't break up the cake or the brownies. Okay, just gonna try not to break it up. You could put whatever flavor icing you want on. This is probably going to be a little rich since it's all chocolate. You could put some sprinkles on if you want. We're not too fancy, so we'll just... Okay, we'll cut it up here and give it a taste test. Okay, here it is all plated up. Doug, Daniel, give it a try.
All right. I done got my glass of milk over here ready.
And there's a little surprise in it that we usually don't put in them.
Chocolate chips.
Mm-hmm. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
Thank you. Delicious.
Welcome.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to get mine here in a minute. We're going to go sit and watch a little movie, and that's our Valentine's. Like I told them, we're homebodies. We don't...
Would you tell them what you were getting?
Yes, I'll be getting my flower seeds. I'd rather have flowers that I can enjoy all summer than just some roses, which there's nothing wrong with that. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.